Hi guys, hope you're keeping well. Thought I'd drop another video while I'm working on my car. Hey, she never makes it easy for me. There's always something going wrong. So anyway, if you're watching this video, you probably have this issue or you're going to encounter it at some point if you've got a Mk4 Gti. And it is the bloody rear boot not opening. One day I just went to my boot, it wouldn't open. This is actually the second time, because it's happened one time before where the handle actually snapped. You know, there's like a little thing that pushes on the lock to open it. That broke. Hello, plane. And yeah, so the best thing to do is first open it up. Once you've opened it up, then you can sort of investigate and see what's wrong with it. And with mine, it so happened when I'm doing my car audio, it went and break, so it's really awkward. I can't do anything on my car audio because it's all in the spare wheel well, all my amplifiers and capacitors and all sorts of wiring and stuff, yeah? So it's just awkward. But if you want to open it, I'll show you the best way to do it. So basically, in the back of your car, drop all your seats, yeah? Drop all your seats nice and flat so you can sit there nicely. And there's this panel that's attached to the boot lid. So release your two screws, right? Because it's got a whole bunch of clips and stuff behind. You can see there's clips, you know, all over the place. So release those two screws, and once you've done that, sort of get yourself wedged in the back of the car so that you can sort of pull the panel, because that's where your two screws would go in, you know, those two sort of boot handle things. So once you've taken those out, just crack it back, you know, like little, but don't rip the whole thing out, because it's got these little rails that the panel slides into on both sides. So you don't want to over pull it because you might break them. And then once you've sort of just, you know, cracked it open, get your arm underneath, and what you're aiming for is this thing. Can you see that? Because that is the thing that opens your boot. Now with mine, I don't know what's going on. I think my lock is stuck and it's not moving this thing and giving it enough clearance for my handle to actually open. So I think I'm going to put some WD-40 on there and see what's going on with that, because the actuator works. I mean, you can actually see the actuator does work, but it's not pulling back enough because I think there's some corrosion in there. So yeah, once you've done that, guys, get your arm or your hand in there, but just watch your arm, because it did sort of, you know, want to damage my arm. As you can see, all the marks, because, you know, the panel will be, you know, clipped against you. And then just click that, you know, just pull it to the side. Once you've pulled it, you can open the boot. I'll do that again. So just pull this thing. This is the bugger that you want to get hold of. Pull that, then you can open it and investigate what's going on. Let's stick some WD-40 in here. Just see if that's the problem. It might be, it might not be. But it looks really corroded in there, doesn't it? Holy hell. Right, guys, so it actually turns out all it needed was WD-40. How stupid, honestly. I thought I'd broke something because, as I mentioned, it's the second time. So what's happened is, can you see this stupid thing here? Yeah, that basically has corrosion. And when I was moving the actuator, it wasn't fully taking the actuator all to the top. And what the actuator has to do when you open, yeah, it has to pull this little piece so that your handle can get hold of it. So if that is like that, your handle can't get hold of it. So you'll be pulling and pulling and it just won't open it. So yeah, moment of truth, guys, after putting some WD-40. And let's make sure it's open. Yay! Sorted. Nice. Sweet. So yeah, I hope that helps, guys. It was just a quick video, because I thought if it's gonna help someone, I'm gonna, you know, make a video of it. And I will be posting the car audio stuff soon. It's just I'm gonna have to do it part by part, like how I did the whole 300 bhp build, because there's just too much footage and it takes so long to upload on YouTube. I don't know why, but yeah, so I'll probably do it part by part, you know, in the next couple of weeks. And yeah, I'll probably drop a couple of bits and pieces if I can, you know, whatever's helpful, e.g. this video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have any questions, just put it in the comments below, and I'll see what I can do. Hopefully we can solve your issue if it is that. Thanks guys, cheers, bye.